Hello, everyone. Welcome to Talk Boost. I'm Anna, and I help you speak English with confidence, clarity, and courage. Today's session is very special. This is not just English practice. This is mind training. This is confidence building. This is positive affirmation practice. If you want to speak English fluently, you must first believe that you can. So relax, sit comfortably, take a deep breath, inhale slowly, and exhale gently. Let your shoulders relax. Let your mind become calm. You don't need to repeat loudly. You can repeat in your mind or softly with your lips. Just listen, feel the words, and allow English to flow naturally into you. Let's begin. I believe in myself. I believe I can learn English. I believe I can speak English clearly. I believe I can improve every single day. I am capable of learning new words. I am capable of forming correct sentences. I am capable of expressing my thoughts in English. I trust my learning journey. I trust my brain. I trust my voice. I trust my progress. I do not compare myself with others. Everyone learns at a different speed. My speed is perfect for me. I give myself permission to learn slowly. I give myself permission to grow naturally. I am proud of myself for trying. I am proud of myself for practicing. I am proud of myself for not giving up. Every day, my English becomes better. Every day, my confidence becomes stronger. Every day, I feel more comfortable speaking English. I am becoming an English speaker. I am becoming more confident with words. I am becoming more fluent with sentences. I am calm when I speak English. I am relaxed when I listen to English. I enjoy learning English. Learning English is safe for me. Learning English is fun for me. Learning English opens new doors for me. I deserve to speak English confidently. I deserve to express myself freely. I deserve to be understood. I speak English with confidence. I speak English without fear. I speak English without shame. My voice is strong. My voice is clear. My voice matters. People understand me when I speak English. It is okay if I make mistakes. Mistakes help me learn. Mistakes make me better. I do not fear mistakes. I welcome mistakes. I learn from mistakes. When I speak English, I feel confident. When I speak English, I feel relaxed. When I speak English, I feel proud. I speak slowly and clearly. I take my time. I do not rush. I breathe calmly while speaking. My mind stays calm. My words come naturally. English flows easily from my mouth. I enjoy speaking English. I enjoy practicing English. I enjoy expressing my ideas. I am not afraid of being judged. I am not afraid of being corrected. Correction helps me grow. Feedback helps me improve. I stay confident in conversations. I stay calm in discussions. I stay relaxed in interviews. I stay confident while talking to strangers. I stay confident while talking to native speakers. I am brave. I am confident. I am improving every day. I am becoming fluent in English. My fluency improves every day. Words come to my mind easily. Sentences form naturally in my brain. I think in English more and more. I respond in English with ease. I speak without long pauses. I speak without fear of stopping. I trust my vocabulary. I trust my grammar. I trust my learning process. I do not panic when I forget a word. I calmly find another word. I calmly explain in a different way. Communication is more important than perfection. I focus on meaning, not fear. I focus on expression, not mistakes. My English sounds better every day. My pronunciation improves naturally. My listening skills improve daily. I understand English more clearly. I understand English more easily. I enjoy English conversations. I enjoy English videos. I enjoy English stories. I enjoy English practice sessions. Fluency is growing inside me. Fluency is becoming natural for me. I am patient with myself. I am kind to myself. I allow fluency to develop slowly. I learn new English words every day. New words stay in my memory. I use new words confidently. I remember words easily. I enjoy expanding my vocabulary. I enjoy learning expressions. I enjoy learning phrases. I build sentences correctly. I build sentences confidently. My sentence structure improves daily. I feel comfortable forming long sentences. I feel comfortable expressing ideas. I can explain my thoughts clearly. I can describe situations in English. I can share my opinions in English. I can ask questions confidently. I can answer questions clearly.